Hey everybody, Josh from MBRP, and today we have the Civic Sport on the hoist behind me. This Civic Sport is showcasing our new Cat-Back exhaust that we're excited to talk to you about. Now we've got a ton of sound clips for you to check out, and you can click forward to those now if you want, or stick with me as I show you what we've done underneath the car. MBRP picks up the exhaust behind the OEM catalytic converter with a 3-bolt laser cut flange up front, flowing into 2.5-inch mandrel bent T304 stainless steel tubing, while using all the OEM hanger locations. In the middle of the car, MBRP has added in a straight section, which is swappable with a resonator in case you find the car is not to your liking and you'd like to quiet it down. Now to the rear of the car, we have more 2.5-inch T304 stainless steel bent tubing held in place by T304 stainless steel band clamps and factory hangers to make an easy installation. Now at the rear of the vehicle, we have a high flow chambered muffler. Now this muffler has no packing. It gives a great deep low tone and finishes off with a carbon fiber tip. Let's take it outside and show you what it sounds like.